So we're having this really nice spring rain, and I wanted to check and see what the pH is. I live just outside Washington, D.C. in the United States. So it's spring, and I'm collecting some of this rainwater that I'll then bring in the house and try to figure out what the pH is using pH paper. So I'd like to compare the pH paper with something I know. So first I'd like to take a pH of 0. This is 1 molar hydrochloric acid, and we get that nice red color. Next, we'll test pH of 6.86, very close to 7. So this will be our neutral, kind of a green. And then finally, we're going to test pH of 14, a strong base, sodium hydroxide. It gives us that kind of purplish blue. And we can see and compare that to the pH paper with this image here. Next, we'll take a piece of pH paper and put it in that rainwater we collected. And we can compare it to the pH of the known solutions and to the packaging that has a key for us. So we put it in, and nothing really happens much. It turns a little bit greenish, so maybe between 5 and 6 on our pH scale here. That means that rainwater is actually acidic. pH of 5 or 6, that's below 7, which is neutral. So rainwater, fresh rainwater, actually is acidic. This isn't terribly surprising to me because there's carbon dioxide in the air, and as rain falls, it will absorb some of that carbon dioxide and make something called carbonic acid, which is a really weak acid. So that would make me think that it might be acidic. It really probably depends, too, on where you live. If you live close to an industrial site that's putting out sulfur dioxide, that'll make the rain even more acidic, give you acid rain. But that value that we found for the pH of rainwater, that matches up with known values from other sources like the EPA here in the U.S. So in answer to our question, the pH of rainwater between 5 and 6, which makes rainwater acidic. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.